Are you tired of chasing team members for missing receipts, dealing with invoice chaos, or losing track of company spending? Today, we're looking at Spendesk, an all-in-one spend management platform designed to automate your expenses, corporate cards, and approvals. Spendesk is built to put all your company spend into one single connected system. Instead of jumping between different tools, it covers everything from the initial purchase to payment and final reconciliation. First, let's talk about their smart corporate cards. These cards give your team the flexibility to make necessary purchases while giving finance departments complete control and automated budget protection. Plus, they make expense reports painless. Spendesk hopes finance teams collect 98% of receipts without sending a single manual chaser email. But what makes Spendesk really unique is their new feature, Spendesk AI Connect. This allows you to connect your preferred AI assistant directly to your spend data. You can ask natural questions, instantly find specific transaction details, build custom reports, and automate your workflow. Because it uses secure, read-only access, your core finance workflows stay completely protected. It also integrates smoothly with accounting tools and ERPs like NetSuite to keep your data flowing without manual entry. Now, when it comes to independent user reviews, we have limited third-party review data available in our source today. However, the platform is trusted by thousands of finance leaders and highlights case studies where teams achieved full adoption in under 30 days and saved up to 3 days per month on automated reconciliation. If you want to eliminate friction, secure your budgets, and give your finance team their time back, Spendesk is definitely worth exploring. Head over to spendesk.com to book a demo or take a virtual tour. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let us know in the comments how your business currently manages expenses.